Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this lesson, we will learn how and when to use the past perfect tense. First, when do we use the past perfect tense? It is used when talking about two actions that happened in the past. We use the past perfect to show which action happened first. Let's take a look at these two actions that happened in the past. First, she finished her dinner. Then her grandma arrived. We use the past perfect for the action that happened first. So, she had finished her dinner when her grandma arrived. Now let's look at the structure of a sentence in the past perfect. Affirmative sentences. The subject plus had plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the sentence. Let's take a look at some examples. He wanted to go camping, but he had forgotten his tent. The teacher asked us if we had done our homework. He had been a doctor before he retired. Now, let's take a look at the structure of a negative sentence in the past perfect tense. The subject plus had not plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. They were disappointed because they hadn't sold any cookies. She was excited because she hadn't been to the beach before. The woman waited outside because the shop hadn't opened. Now, let's look at the structure of an interrogative sentence in the past perfect tense. Had plus the subject plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. For a negative interrogative sentence in the past perfect, the structure is as follows. Had plus the subject plus not plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. Or you can use the following structure. Hadn't plus the subject plus the past participle verb plus the rest of the question. This is less formal though. Now let's see some examples. My son had a terrible stomachache yesterday. Had he eaten something bad?
I got so wet.
Hadn't the rain stopped by the time you arrived?
I was hungry all morning yesterday.
Had you not had breakfast? You did very well. Good job. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.